Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Salesforce CRM. First, begin by clearly defining your business goals and requirements. This foundational step ensures your Salesforce implementation aligns perfectly with your operational needs. Next, select the appropriate Salesforce edition, such as Sales Cloud or Service Cloud, based on your specific functions. Then, establish user roles and security permissions to control data access effectively. Finally, outline a robust data migration. Once the basic setup is complete, it's time to customize your Salesforce instance. You'll want to create custom objects and fields to accurately capture your unique business data. Design intuitive page layouts that streamline user interaction and improve efficiency. Implement powerful workflow rules and automation to reduce manual tasks and ensure consistent processes. Finally, configure insightful reports and dashboards to gain a clear, real-time view of your business performance. It's important to note that Pokémon Sword and Shield were released for the Nintendo Switch, not the Nintendo 3DS. The Switch is a much newer and more powerful console, featuring a completely different architecture. Therefore, an emulator designed for the 3DS, like Citra, cannot run Switch games. Attempting to load Switch game files into Citra will not work due to these fundamental differences. The final steps involve preparing your team for success and launching your new system. Develop a comprehensive training program tailored to different user roles, ensuring everyone understands their responsibilities. Provide ongoing support and readily available resources after the launch to address any questions. Actively gather user feedback to identify areas for continuous improvement and system optimization. Finally, monitor system, performance, and user adoption rates to measure your implementation success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.